startup just let its AI agent raise $100 million without a single human stepping foot on Sand Hill Road. Lizzer built an agent called Siva Claw that talked to 130 investors and tracked their mouse movements during pitch decks. In practice, it means the era of the soul-crushing fundraising roadshow is officially dead if your tech actually works. Speaking of dead things, Google just nuked the search box. For 25 years, that tiny white rectangle was the gatekeeper of the internet. But now it is a dynamic conversation engine. You can feed it images, videos, or open browser tabs, effectively turning Google search into a personal AI agent that does the browsing for you. Anthropic is playing the same game, dropping a new feature called Cowork that lets Claude roam your local folders to manage messy files. It is basically a digital intern that lives in your computer, and they reportedly built the whole thing in under 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the global AI arms race just got a massive power shift after Beijing blocked Meta from buying agent startup Manus for $2 billion. Tencent stepped in to scoop up the majority stake instead. Expect those agents to start showing up inside your WeChat app sooner than you think. But the strangest crossover episode of the year is happening at the Federal Reserve. They just hired Marc Andreessen to co-chair a working group tasked with deciding if AI can actually save the economy from inflation. The theory is that AI will boost productivity enough to cool down price hikes, but critics point out that building out the infrastructure is currently sucking up trillions in capital. Finally, Salesforce is turning Slack into an AI powerhouse. They replaced the old Slackbot with a new model that can search enterprise data and execute tasks on your behalf. The CTO literally called the old version a tricycle and the new one a Porsche, which is the most developer-speak way to say your work interface is now an agent. That is the news. I will be back the moment the next big story breaks.